My name is Ben Samate. I'm a wildlife photographer from Hungary. Even if you know what species you will photograph, it's always a surprise. There are no two similar days, and this is the beauty of this job.
My name is Krista Long, and I live in Des Moines, Iowa. I like to photograph my family members, and especially my children, but I really like to photograph them doing the things they do, and that has gotten to be important to me over time.
My name's Adam Pretty. I'm a photographer with Getty Images, and my speciality is sport. I love capturing the moments and the emotions, and just humans at the peak of their physical ability.
Wildlife photography requires a lot of patience and dedication. In most cases, unique moments are often too brief to be shot. I asked myself how I could capture such fleeting moments. LUMIX GH4 is one of the pioneering cameras guiding us into this world. The 4K video has 4 times bigger resolution than Full HD, and 8 megapixel equivalent image can be cropped out of it.
What I really enjoy about this camera is the ability to not only take still photos, but also, when the situation requires, to switch to 4K photo mode, to be able to capture the action and to be able to extract that very perfect moment where everything's coming together the way that I want it to, at the peak of the motion, whereas otherwise I might miss that moment, is incredible.
Being able to pull a 4K still from a live action bit of video, it's just really, really simple, and it's a big advantage. You're never really going to miss a moment again. You basically can shoot everything, and then you can go back and select, those really, really fleeting moments. It's got a massive advantage over any of the other products I've used before.
Here we are in my favorite shore hide. And doing just video, we can cut out 8 megapixel single shots. Photography will change, and I think this is the future because a lot of action happens just once in a lifetime.
Still photography is a different look into something that's occurred in motion. This camera enables a photographer, a mom, a person, to not lose quality in extracting one moment out of that video and make a quality print in a very easy way.
I could definitely use this function professionally. The stuff we're getting looks beautiful. Pretty much anyone who wants to get a good picture, 8:3 size, it's perfect. It's a great solution. Great one, mate. That was really, really good. I've been shooting for almost 18 years and haven't got much better in that time. I'm pretty blown away. Amazing. Appreciate your help. That was fantastic.
The Canon EOS M50 is a mirrorless interchangeable lens camera that sits at the entry-level end of Canon's M series lineup. It combines the proven 24 megapixel sensor and dual pixel CMOS autofocus of Canon's higher-end mirrorless and DSLR models with a more compact form factor and user-friendly ergonomics. Dual pixel autofocus covers a significant portion of the image sensor and results in snappy, accurate focus acquisition. A new Digic 8 processor enables 4K video at up to 24p, a first for Canon's EOS M range. Full HD video up to 60p is also possible, with full autofocus support and no crop. Despite the M50's tiny form factor, it includes a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a tilting, touch-sensitive rear screen. The screen can be used to place the desired autofocus point by touch, as well as to scroll through and zoom into captured images. The M50's user interface is intended to be as simple as possible for first-time camera users, without sacrificing the kind of creative control that more experienced photographers will expect. Built-in Wi-Fi has become an expected feature in entry-level cameras, but the M50 is the first Canon interchangeable lens camera that can automatically transfer JPEGs to your smartphone once they have been paired. For more information on the Canon EOS M50, visit dpreview.com.